Hello, in this video I want to show you how to adjust focus on AKIYO DLP Projector Z9. And to do this, let's take a look on the right side of our projector, and here you can find three buttons. So this one is for power, and two of the other buttons are for focus plus and focus minus. Now we need to press on these buttons, for example focus plus, and it should begin to focus on the image, and you can adjust it like this, and just make sure that the view is sharp like I have right here, and it should be fine. You need to press on the buttons until you get the desired effect. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.